Schools warn parents over fee protests. NIOS must introduce reforms in examination process, says Education Minister. Construction workers make beeline for Delhi government's camps in schools. Sending kids to school in Canada from the US amid travel restrictions. Teacher in Madhya Pradesh transforms school into knowledge hub, selected for national award. School uses walls of houses to impart lessons to poor students in Maharashtra. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: multiple schools in the city have started sending out circulars and messages to parents raising their voice against the institutions for violating fee regulation norms. While parents allege that they are being harassed by the schools, managements maintain that they will initiate action against anybody who's trying to tarnish their reputation. A school in Bhawanpali, parents claimed, egged on the police to file complaints against those staging protests outside their premises. The Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal recently stated that the National Institute of Open Schooling needs to introduce reforms in its examination process to improve it so that the integrity of the institute cannot be questioned. He talked about the introduction of reforms in NIOS while attending a review meeting with the officials of the open school. The meeting was also attended by the School Education Secretary Anita Karwal. Situated amid the congested new Simapuri area in northeast Delhi, staffers of Government Boys Senior Secondary School were surprised to find nearly 100 people eagerly waiting for them to open the gates early on Monday morning. In the school, the government has set up camps as part of its registration campaign for construction workers from August 24 to September 11. Sending kids to school in Canada from the US amid travel restrictions. US parents who send their kids to school in Canada have to navigate to travel restrictions that are now in place for another month. Canada has extended border restrictions on US travelers until September 21st, which is weeks after classes are set to start across the country. A teacher in Madhya Pradesh who has been selected for the National Award of Ministry of Education New Delhi for this year is credited with transforming a girls' primary school which once appeared as a cattle shed, as say locals, into a knowledge hub in Bundelkhand region, one of the most backward regions in the country, as a single teacher. With many poor students being unable to afford smartphones for online classes amid the COVID-19 pandemic, a school in Maharashtra's Solapur city has found a new way of imparting education by painting walls of houses in the vicinity with lessons from textbooks. Around 300 outer walls of various houses in Neelam Nagar area of Solapur have been painted with simplified lessons from the textbooks of various subjects of class 1 to 10. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website, which is www.theenn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.